Hello everyone, our lesson today is about the ratio. What is the ratio? Ratio is a way of comparing two numbers or more having the same type, kind and unit using division. So the main operation I will always use in the ratio is the division operation. Okay, let's see an example. Here I want to find the ratio between apples to oranges. Apples to oranges. How many apples do I have here? 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And how many oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here he asked about the apples first, right? Apples to oranges. So I should put the number of the apples first. 4, 2, 6. This is 2. 4, 2, 6. 4 and 6 are divisible by 2, so I should simplify this. I will make it divided by 2, and you can use your calculator and make 4 divided by 6 or 4 over 6. You'll find the answer 2 over 3. Okay, 2 over 3 means 2, 2, 3, or you can write it in this form. This is the ratio. Ratio is unreal value. If you look here, here I have only 2 apples and 3 oranges? No. I have 4 apples and 6 oranges. But this is the real value. The ratio is unreal value. That's mean for every 2 apples, I have 3 oranges. If you make 2 groups in this way, you will find that every 2 apples have 3 oranges. So this is the ratio. Okay? Open booklet page 1 and let's see the examples. First of all, you have to study the definition very well. The ratio is a way to compare between two quantities or two numbers or more having same kind, type and unit. The ratio between a number and another equal first term, the number up is called first term or antecedent, and the second number or second term, or it's you may say consequent, antecedent over consequent, or the first number to the second number. You can write it as a fraction or you can write it this way. Put the ratio always in the simplest form as we did in the example. We make it divided by 2, so you should bring the simplest form, and you should know that the ratio is unreal value and we do not have any units. Let's see the example here. If I have the first term 4 and second term 5, how can I write it? How can I write the ratio? You will write it 4 over 5 or 4 to 5. If you have 3 and 10, 3 over 10 or 3 to 10. Here I have 6 over 5. Where is the first term? Is the number up is the first term. So 6 is the first term, 5 is the second term. 6 to 5. And here I have 2 to 7. So 2 is the first term, 7 is the second term, 2 over 7. Let's see this. By using the opposite figure, complete the following. The number of white circles to the number of black circles. And he told me white first, so you should write white in the first term. How many white circles do you have here? I have 3 over 6, right? 3 over 6. And you should find it in the simplest form. On the calculator, 3 over 6, you will get it 1 over 2. And you can write it in this form too. The number of black to the number of whites. He told me black first, so you should write 6 over 3. Put it on the calculator, you will find the answer 2, but I can't write 2 only here, so it's 2 over 1. You should put 1 down, or you can write it this way, 2 to 1. The number of black to all circles, so it will be 6 over 9. On the calculator, you will bring the answer 2 over 3, or you can write it this way, 2 to 3. The number of all circles, which is 9, to the number of the white circles, 6, 9 over 6, 3 over 2, or you can write it this way. Turn the page. Here I have the price of the blouse, 40 LE, and the price of a pair of trousers, 80 LE. Find the ratio between the price of blouse and the price of pair of trousers. He told me what first? He told me find the ratio of blouse or trousers. He told me blouse, so you should put the blouse price here first. So 40 LE to 80 LE. This is the real value. This is the real value. 40 to 80, it's the real value. I want to bring the ratio, which is not or unreal value. So you are going to cross LE to LE because I can't write any units in the ratio, and put on the calculator 40 divided by 80. You will find the answer 1/2 or 1/2. Number 2, the height of the house is 9 meters and the height of the tree is 3 meters. Find the ratio between the height of the tree and the height of a house. He told me what first, tree or house? He told me tree. So I will search where is the tree. Tree is 3 meters. So you are going to write T to H, tree to house, 3 to 9, and on the calculator 3/9 or 3 divided by 9. The answer will be 1/3. Here, if Khalid has 15 LE and Ahmed has 25, then the ratio between what Khalid has and what Ahmed has. He told me Khalid first. Okay, Khalid is 15 LE, so it will be 15 to 25. On the calculator, 15 divided 25, 3/5, you will write it this way, 3 to 5. 3/5, it's the same like 3 to 5. What Ahmed has and what Khalid has, 25 to 15, the answer will be 5 to 3. The total number of boys and girls in a school for 180. If the number of boys is 320, find the ratio between number of boys and number of girls. I do not have here the number of girls, right? How can I bring it? I have the total and I have the number of boys. So I will subtract them together. The girls will be 160. Now the ratio, boys 320 to 160. On the calculator, 320 divided 160, the answer will be 2. I can't write in the ratio only one number 2. So I will write 2 to 1. Okay? Number B, the ratio between the number of boys and the total number of pupils. So it will be 320 to 480. Also division on the calculator, it will be 2 to 3. The ratio between the number of girls, 160, total of pupils, 480. On the calculator, 160 divided 480, the answer will be 1/3 or 1/2.